This is an Orii 6,600-pound model LCC-06HB4HAX-EAX Servo press feed line. Serial number KHB0268.
Do a walk around. We'll come back to the control last. We'll turn it on whenever we show some stuff. We're going to work all of this. This works. We got everything working. The rollers, feed, manual works. We'll do all that when we come back to the control. And just do a quick overview of the whole machine here, then we'll come back and play with it a little bit. So for this guy, control, we've got it all temped in over here. And maybe on this side here. We got a few wires. We got some circuits shorted to simulate the press, but other than that, we're good to go. Servo drive, main power. Not much going on in here. Bring it around. We got all our cables. They're just temped in along the floor here, but they all go through the holes inside the frame here. These kind of go together, and all these holes are for the cabling. Servo for the feed right here. Another cylinder. The receiver right here for the pneumatics. This is the air coming in on this one here, and then it comes out of the receiver, this black cord here, and this is the guy that feeds the uncoiler going in over there. Again, we just got to tempt in. Show that. And yeah, one cylinder, one servo coming along here. Feed table. I got the covers down right now, so this one's down, and we'll turn the control on and make some things happen here. And it's all off right now. Just going to turn the key switch on. She comes up, and we got a good control, no alarms. I'm going to pick up this cover here. Watch this. Just leave this up. I went around the switch just so we could see on the video. Kind of show some of this up in here. For all your manual controls. Yeah, as long as you're on that, I can do the work roll right away, I think. That'll pop. That's this guy here. And feed rolls on the other side here. If you want to just swing back over here real quick. This guy here, I think we can kind of see the feed roll. That's those two. Alright. That covers them except for the feed. We'll do the motor last, and we're going to go over to this side here on the uncoiler. Here's the hold down. You can lower that. And we'll go back up with that. Again, that's the hold down. That's up, and just over to your right here, the threading table right here. Up and down. That's pretty much it there. Coil guide, raise lower for the main coil. Mandrel up in the center, we can expand and contract that. I think we can get an auto cycle condition. I'm going to leave it expanded, see if we can get an auto cycle condition. Depends if we leave everything in the right. And here's the main reel motor. I'm going to put this on forward. That starts the motor. And then we got the jog switch right now, and I'm going to jog it, and you'll see the mandrel take off over here, and you'll hear it too, the clutch coming in. We got that guy, and coil hold down. That was that one there. Where's roll lift? No, threading roll. Is that it? There we go. Threading rolls right here. back out with it. That's all the pneumatics on it. Everything works good that way. The only thing left now is we can jog the servo motor now. It's set up for 2.8 on the feed length. And let's do a jog reverse and forward first, which is continuous. Jog forward, jog reverse, jog forward, and reverse. And I think if I go to single feed now, it's going to do it all by itself. That's back by the 2.8. I'm just hitting the single feed button here. If you want to just show me here, that was, we did forward and reverse jog a minute ago. Here's single feed. It's set up for 2.8, and you'll see the actual clock off pretty fast if I just hit it once. And then you can see the rollers. There's one right here and one over there. You can kind of see these guys. There's 2.8, 2.8. I can slow this down too off the speed pod here. You get kind of a, if you want to just kind of move it on this angle here, so you can see me and maybe the rollers too. Yeah. There's feeding, and here's the speed pot right here. We'll speed it up a little bit. You might be able to see the difference on the camera. See that? It's a lot quicker. Same 2.8 inches. I'm going to go way down slow now. See the difference? There we go. Yeah, you see it. So that's 2.8, 2.8. And I didn't bring the enable signal out here for the instruct from the press, but I think we've got an auto. Stay right there. I think we can just go into auto, and it's going to wait for the press. Let's see if we can get auto. Have it going back. The manual turns on automatically. It's waiting now. It's waiting for the press to instruct it to go. And I didn't bring I could have brought a couple of wires out here, but I didn't. That's it. If I hit auto right here, now it's waiting. See? So it'll just keep on beeping until the press tells it to go. But we don't have that instruct signal out here, so we'll come out of that, and that's pretty much it. Everything works, fully functional. I think this is for adjustment. Both of these. A couple of books down here too. We got some electrical drawings and an instruction manual, which is for this machine here, so that's all good stuff to have. So one instruction manual, one set of electrical drawings go with the machine here. So.